Hey guys, the Bearded Guitarist here, and this is the episode 9 of the RnB and Neo Soul acoustic guitar series. If this is your first time around and you haven't checked out the other episodes of this series, you can do so with the link that I will leave in the description below and also with the card up here. So today we'll be learning a simple Neo Soul chord progression in the key of A minor. So let's check out the chords first. The chord progression is very simple. It's F major 9, which then moves to E7 flat 9, and then it goes to A minor 7, extended to the 9th here, and then from here A2 5 to go back to F major, and the 2 5 is G minor 7, this time extended to the 11th, so G minor 11, and C7 flat 9, okay, which is the 5 to come back to F major 9. Now on the first chord I was playing this palm muting, which is basically a hammer-on, you know, between the 7th and the 9th fret on the G string. Okay, and then sometimes I was also playing this melody, which is E, D, C, A. Okay, to connect to the E7 flat 9. And here, like for any other 7th flat 9 chord, you can remove the root and just play the diminished 7th that you generate in this way. This is a G sharp diminished 7th, and like for any other diminished 7th chord, you can move it 3 frets forward and you're just playing the same chord. Okay, and then from here, as we said, the A minor 7, where I played this little, you know, typical RnB and Neo Soul phrase, which is made by, you know, the 9th that you use in the chord, then the root, and then another 2 notes that belong to the chord, the G and the E, the minor 7th and the perfect 5th, but they also belong to the pentatonic, right? Okay, that would be the minor pentatonic in A, and then the G minor 11, moving to that C7 flat 9, which again, you can remove the root, get a diminished 7th chord as the extended version of this C7 flat 9 and move this by 3 frets. Sometimes I do this, moving it by another 3 frets. This is because the dominant 7th chord, flat 9, when they are played as diminished 7th chord, they are symmetrical chords that you can move all around the fretboard. So all together, I play again the F major 9. From here I move to E7 flat 9, removing the root and playing the diminished 7th, then the A minor 7 with the 9th, first melody, and from here I move to G minor 11, playing a little bit of an arpeggio, kind of like this, then C7 flat 9, and again the diminished 7th to go up. Then I think the second time I didn't even play the full melody, I just played the hammer-on. No diminished 7th here, and then I played an A minor 11 instead of an A minor 7th, so the same shape as G minor 11, so that I could play this nice chromatism typical of RnB, which is A minor 11, A flat minor 11, and G minor 11, before heading here, okay, and then start again. And I think this time I played the diminished 7th trick, descendant like, okay, before heading again to the A minor 7, and then I played just a quicker phrase with a 6/2 played like, which is again the same phrase as before, continuing with 2 more notes of the minor pentatonic, the A minor pentatonic, going here. Okay, and then just to finish on the F major 7, what I played really was a C major triad with an F on the bass. So what you get is an F major 7th with the sus2, so you have no third, but you have the 2nd degree, which is the G. So I was playing this, which is root, then open G string, major 2nd, C, which is the 5th, and E, which is the major 7th. I guess this is the same as playing this chord, which is one of my favorite voicings for the major 7th chords, sus2. So let's listen to how this sounds like with the drum beat. 1, 2, 3, 4. Right guys, so let me know in the comments how you're getting along with this RnB and Neo Soul chord progression, and if you feel like you want to go deeper into some theory, because we used concepts like the secondary dominant and the diminished 7th chords, make sure to check out my latest live streaming, which is all about chord substitutions. I'll put a link in the description below and also a card up here. That's all for this video. Make sure to subscribe to this channel and ring the bell to stay notified when I'm going live and when a new video is up. If you haven't watched the previous episodes of this RnB and Neo Soul acoustic guitar series, make sure to do so with the link in the description below. There will be the full playlist. Like and share this video as always, and thanks for watching and for your support. This is the Bearded Guitarist. I'll be seeing you in the next video.